Hello, thanks for joining us today for this video guide on how to utilize building groups within Vertex BD. In this example, we have a wall build-up with a window opening. We're going to create a building group for this example wall. Firstly, we select the model and right-click to open our Extended Properties menu. We then choose the Advanced option and from here select Create Building Group. Once we've selected Create Building Group, we first choose a reference point and then give our building group a name. We then select the OK button to generate our new building group. Once we've completed these steps, our new building group is available for us to add to our projects from the Components section at the top navigation bar as shown on screen. This helps to speed up projects where we may need to use multiple of the same custom build groups. As you can see, these can be replicated and added to projects now with ease. As well as this, you can add multiple components to build groups, which can be a massive help when creating things such as multiple bathrooms, kitchens, and much more. Thanks for checking out today's video guide on creating building groups within Vertex BD. For more great videos, check out our channel.